Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the O gang or the No gang. As you can see by today's title, I'm going to show you guys how I do my wash and go routine. I already washed my hair and conditioned my hair in the shower and applied my leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I was just showing you that I sectioned my hair off. I already applied leave-in conditioner when I was in the shower and I detangled it. I find that helps my hair to stay damp because when you're doing your wash and go, your goal is to keep your hair damp. Now I'm just applying my oil to my scalp. This is absolutely my favorite part of the routine because I'm massaging the oil on my scalp and it feels so good. You could literally tell by my face. Now I'm just bringing parts together and only leaving one part out to work with.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
The curling cream I'm going to use is by Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. You want to make sure that you use a curling cream after you use your leave-in conditioner so that your curls can pop. You really want your hair wet and damp so that you can have a successful wash and go. So here I'm just spritzing water with my spray bottle. So here I'm just parting a smaller section off because my hair is so thick. I'm going to add more curl enhancing smoothie, then apply the gel, and then work with other small sections. The gel I'm going to use is the Olive Oil Eco Style Gel. Before I go in with the gel, I'm going to use my denim brush to detangle my hair. So the method I use to define my curls is the finger coiling method. It's basically taking a piece of your hair and wrapping it around your finger. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's very time consuming. It took me about an hour to finish my whole entire hair, but the results are worth it and you'll see why in this video. Okay guys, I went ahead and did most parts of my hair and left the portion out so you guys can see what I do with my hair. However, don't mind the white cast that's on my hair. I have low porosity hair, meaning that products takes forever to dry.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough.
Now that I'm done with my hair, I like to shake my hair up and get those curls clumped up. Here, I'm just going over curls that I feel like need more definition. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this. Alright guys, this is my method on how I do my wash and go. I'm gonna let it air dry for a little bit and then I'm gonna come right back. Hey guys, so this is my final result. I'm at work right now, so as I was working, my hair dried throughout the day. My hair actually takes a long time to dry. It almost takes the whole day, so I did my hair around 11 a.m. and it dried about, I say, 7 o'clock at night. And right now it's 10 p.m. These curls are popping. Get into it.